Here we are going to discuss how to multiply fractions. This is an example for number 15 in the assignment 2 of Medical Mathematics, MMTH 105, number 15, multiplying fractions. So here we've got mixed fractions or mixed numbers. So we must convert. We don't must, but it will be a very lengthy process to multiply these fractions as is using mixed numbers. Okay, it will be like 3. We have to put both these two of them in brackets. That's 3 2/3 in a bracket times 4 1/4 in a bracket. That's if you want to multiply this as mixed numbers, eh? And now you expand this out because that's 3 2/3 and it's plus, so that's 3 plus 2/3 times 4 plus 1/4. So now you have to multiply 3 by 4 and 3 by 1/4, 2/4 by 4 and 2/4 by 1/4. You can see how this explodes rapidly. So you're going to have 3 times 4. I'm not going to put it 12. I'm just going to show you 3 times 4 plus the 3 times 1/4 times that quarter there. So that's will be 3. Now we're going to use the 2/3 now. 2/3 times 4. That's a plus 2/3. So plus 2/3 times 4. And plus 2/3 again times 1/4. We've got 4 multiplications to do. 2 to the 4. 3 times 4. 3 times 1/4. 2/4 times 4. And 2/4 times 1/4. And then you have to continue this. Okay? Or you can simply convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions by multiplying and adding. So 3 2/3, you simply say 3 3 is a 9 plus 2 is 11/3 times, so it's easier to do it that way. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17/4. And you simply multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. You multiply straight across. You multiply across numerators. That's 11 times 17. And you multiply across with the denominators. So that's 3 times 4. So basically, 11 times 17, you can rapidly calculate 11 times 17. That gives us 187. Divided by 4 3 is a 12. And you can convert now back to a mix. 12 into 187. That gives us 15. Now we need to find the remainder, so we're going to multiply 15 by 12 to see what we get and subtract it from 187. So it's 187 subtract 15 times 12. That's 7. So remainder is 7 upon 12. And we can prove our answer by multiplying our mixed fractions, 3 and 2/3 times 4 and a quarter. So we have 3 and 2/3. I see there was a space between the whole number and the fraction. Coincidentally, it's 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter. So we have that 4 and a quarter there. And our operation now is times. And here we have our answer, 15 and 7 over 12. 15 and 7 over 12. So it's easier to just convert the mix to an improper, multiply straight across, and then simplify. Now, before we end this session, I just want to prove that we're on the right track with this approach. So this is 3 and 2/3, 3 plus 2/3. So we're using a program called Symbolab. 3 plus 2/3. It's an online calculator. Is 3. It's 3, sorry. Times 4 and a quarter. All right, that's it. 4 and a quarter. So let's see if we get the 15 and 7/12. 4 and a quarter is the same as 4 plus a quarter. And type enter. And here it is, 15 and 7 over 12. Okay, 3 and 2/3 times 4 and a quarter. 15 and 7 over 12. So you're on the right track with this approach. You can still get your 15 and 7 over 12 using this approach. After you simplify, you multiply all of this and simplify, it should give you 15 and 7 over 12. But as you can see, it's easier to convert to improper. Multiply straight across, numerator, denominator, then simplify.